I asked my student to pick up a black pen and make a tree of his choice, and this is what he came up with, which is great. And I thought, let's work on it a bit further and see how we can make the trees in a more detailed way. So, here we're going to be working on two trees and learning the different types of strokes with our pen. So, pick up a black pen, any pen, black gel pen, and let's begin with some freehand drawing, some lines, then working with dark to light. Feel free to pick up the pen from a little far away and do some work with some pressure techniques of holding the pen. We're going from dark to light. So pressing it a little dark and then letting it go and release with the pressure of the pencil so that it goes super light. How will it go super light? Let's hold the pen from a little far away. Now just do a general lines. This is kind of like hatching, but here we're just doing a little shading. And now let's understand freehand lines and a bit of now cross hatching. Now the next one, I think you might like this. It's called scribbling, which is super freehand and going in any direction wherever you would like. This will be used a lot while making the trees. And just play around with your pen, hold it comfortably and get a feel of it on any rough sheet of paper before we begin. So enjoy the grip and let's watch and see how we can work on the two trees in real time. So I hope you enjoy the video and I look forward to hearing from you about the trees. Let's begin.